A little bit right here. I feel that. I'm gonna get that boy too. And probably this guy down low. Let's start with that body slam. Tony, what you say about it? Sound good? You remember this guy here, bro? Yeah, just like that. And then chin down for me, Big Tony. Let's bring this back here. Yeah, it's definitely this guy here. Right here. Yes, sir. Right there, here. Come down just a bit, my brother, a little more. Right there, so drop these here. Same thing, buddy. Chin up just a bit. There you go, Tony. Let's check here. One more coming, bud. There it is, yes, sir. Let's get a little breath in. Hold that. Out, let it go. Looks good, Tony. Let's try one more, bud. Breath. Hold. Out, let it go. Relax. Coming back. It's all clear on your side, man. Right like this, yeah? Yeah, right there. Just here, Tony, good. Perfect, gotcha. Bottom hip forward just a little bit. That's it, I'm gonna curl you just a tiny bit, my man, right here. Hold like this, okay? There you go. Yes, sir. Right like this here. That's it. Hold right there. Yeah. Okay, same thing. I'm just gonna barely bring this shoulder forward right there, Tony. That's it. Hold right here, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna kick this leg kind of down just like that, okay? There's one on. My goodness. Let's be sending you out good today, my man. That sounded nice. Let's check this beautiful neck here, Tony. There it goes. Perfect. And I'm gonna try one more right here. Yeah, one more. That's all good, buddy. A little stretch here. My man. That's what I feel, bro. That's good stuff.
That's great.